Assalamualaikum everyone. My today's vlog is all about I'm going to prepare and cook pizza bread. So these are all the ingredients, 3 slices of bread, and then this is last of sliced cheese. And then this is organic eggs. You can put also 2 or 3, 4 pieces of eggs, small eggs, or if medium size, you can put 2 or 3. So this is enough. And then 1 teaspoon of salt and pinch of black pepper powder. And this is coriander leaves and spring onions and tomatoes. And this is all organic from our field. So let's start now to make my pizza bread today. So this is 2 eggs, whole eggs. Now we can put the salt and black pepper. And then we have to mix or beat these eggs. And then if you have yogurt, you can add also 2 tablespoons. But that is only optional. I don't have available, so it's no problem. Now we can add now all these coriander leaves, onion, spring onion, and tomatoes, slices of tomatoes cubes. I take out the seeds because I want to make dry this one, and I want to plant again for next season next year of June. So now we can mix all together this one. I think eggs is not enough, so better I will add 1 more. I did not add egg, so 2 is enough. Just I add 3 tablespoons of fresh milk, buffalo milk, and then 1 tablespoon of cream. Ayan, hinalo ko dito. So umpisa na natin ang paggawa. Oil is already hot in a pan. You can use also butter, but I don't have butter, so I use cooking oil. Now this oil is already hot. Now we can put now this slices. What you call this? Hinimay-himay na bread. Occupy natin lahat yung itong isang pan. Occupy natin lahat. Yan. So, ayan na, occupy na lahat yung hinimay-himay na bread. So, next, ilagay na natin itong na-mix na eggs, tomatoes, spring onions, coriander, leaves, salt, black pepper. At saka, ano pa ba yung nilagay ko dito? Ayan. Ilagay natin lahat. Scatter natin lahat. Walang ilaw, na brown out na naman. Lagi kasing nagba-brown out dito sa Pakistan nationwide. So ayan, ito na yung lahat na binubos ko. We can put now this 1 slice of cheese. Mas masarap sana yung maraming cheese. Yung mozzarella cheese, cheddar cheese, Kraft cheese. Kaya lang tipid. Mahal kasi ang bilihin at saka mahal ang mga bilihin kaya tipid-tipid. At saka yung 12 pieces na cheese na binili ko last month pa yata yun. Ang dami kong nagawa na recipe. So ito baliktarin natin para yung side dito ay maluluto din. Ito na tanggal ko na. Ayan, na change side ko na. So, naglagay din ako ulit ng 1 tablespoon na cooking oil dito para maluto yung sa ibabaw. So, ilagay ko ito ulit sa frying pan, itong sa ibabaw niya para maluto. Ayan, nailagay ko na yung sa ibabaw. So, ilipat ulit natin ito sa plate. Tapos, slice natin. Ayan, ito luto na yung pizza bread. Masarap ito pang breakfast o kaya pang snack. Ayan, parisan ng kape o kaya yung juice, any kind of juice, or bahala na kayo kung ano yung iparis dito. Ayan, so slice natin. Tikman natin kung anong lasa nito. Ayan, ito na 4 slices of pizza bread. Ayan. Snack tayo ng pizza bread with tang at saka eggshell powder. And konti lang yung nilagay kong sugar. Ayoko kasi yung matamis. So, ayan. Tikman natin itong 4 slices of pizza bread. Ito na lang yung natira. Naghati-hati kami sa sa 4 slices. 5 kami eh. So, ayan. Ito na lang yung para sa akin. Ayan. Drink muna tayo ng tang juice. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ayan. Sarap. Tama lang yung timpla niya. Hindi maalat or Basta tama-tama lang yung timpla niya. Yung full video pala nito ay nasa aking YouTube channel, Aisha Tarik. Kaya, doon yung makikita kung paano ko ginawa ito. Ano lang, very easy lang. Madali lang lutuin pag may kumpleto yung ingredients. Kaya lang, kulang-kulang kasi ako sa ingredients. Kaya, pero okay na, alhamdulillah, pwede na pagtiyagaan itong aking ginawa. Ayan, simot. Isang glass na juice at saka yung 1 slice na pizza bread. So, mamaya pa ako mag-lunch. Ngayon, Friday. Juma Mubarak to all Muslims around the world. And today is December 22. And the time now here in Pakistan is exactly 1 p.m.